Today, I'll be replacing my current fuel filter located down there somewhere. I'll be replacing it with this high flow 50mm filter that you can find on the website. This is the filter bracket that I'll be using on my setup. This bracket, along with all the hardware, can be found on the website. Using a punch, I'll make small indents where I'll be drilling. This will assist in helping the drill bit not walk on you. Start small and drill out your pilot holes, as we'll be making the holes a little bit larger to fit the rib nuts. Make sure to always lube the piece being cut, the drill bit, or both with cutting oil. Larger drill bit to make the holes large enough to fit the rib nuts. Using a deburring tool, I like to clean up these jagged edges that are left behind from the drill bits. Just wipe down the area before I apply a little clear coat to the exposed metal. This aids in preventing it from rusting. Once the clear coat dries, I can then insert and install the rib nuts, giving me the necessary threads to mount the bracket to. Let's bolt and secure the bracket to the rail. Slide the filter into the bracket to hold it in place.
How do you feel as the start time approaches?
I don't feel at all.
Here you can see the current setup. Remove the hose clamps, remove the lines, and let's remove the old filter and bracket. Make sure to have a tray to catch any of the gas that may leak.
Like this, biatch.
Making a hole in the rail again, as I'll use this to route the fuel line to the filter. While deburring this hole, I realized I will need a grommet to prevent the metal from slicing the line over time. A quick design on the computer and a print, and now I have a grommet perfect for my application. Pull the line gently through the hole, slip the grommet on, installed the hose clamp to keep it all secure, and connected the line to my barb to AN fitting. Added a new fuel line that goes from the fuel rail to the filter. Here I routed it already and cut it to length. Installed it onto the other end of the fuel filter, clamped it down, and that's it.